Good morning from the Tractor Tuesday Market Desk. I'm Bryce Tuskett. It is time to look at the factors influencing the commodity trade today. On the line with us from Chicago is Mark Gold with Top Dirt Ag Marketing. Good morning, Mark.
Well, good morning. Overnight we were higher. May corn up 3 cents at 4.85 and a quarter. May wheat up 2 1/4 cents at 5.55. May beans up 3 3/4 cents at 10.40 and a quarter. Currently we've got gold up $103 an ounce, new historic high at 34.33 so far. Silver's up 60 cents. The dollar is absolutely in the tank here. It's down 123 ticks. It's 21 off the lows. We're currently at 97.89. We haven't been this low since March of 2022. So certainly looks like we're on our way down to 90 cents in my opinion. And that should be very helpful for the grains. But the crude oil is currently down at $1.87. That may weigh on the bean oil out here and drag the beans down a little bit as well. Dow Jones at the moment is down 350 points. That may weigh on the grains as well. But, overall, we've had an awful lot of rain here in the Midwest. We're looking at more rain for several days over between now and Wednesday. So that could cause some delays in planting. But we'll get it in as we always do. But it's going to be a little bit wet out there, but certainly helpful for whatever crops are in the ground. And that's about it.
We'll get the crop of the ground. Good way to summarize how the U.S. farmer goes about their activities here each year. Mark Gold from Top Dirt Ag Marketing, our guest this morning. We look at the overnight numbers. July corn up 3 at 4.93 and a quarter. July soybeans up 3 as well at 10.50 and 3/4. That's a look at your markets from inside the Tractor Tuesday Market Desk. I'm Bryce Tuskett reporting.
Farmers know animal ag is a big part of the soybean market, but raising soybeans is more than just providing a valuable feed source for the world. The Nebraska Soybean Board and Soy Checkoff is always researching new uses for soybean meal and oil, bringing dozens of new soy products to market each year. Today, soy can be found almost anywhere. Goodyear tires, Ford cars and trucks, Skechers shoes, asphalt, fuels, lubricants, name brand paints and stains, and more. Connect with the Nebraska Soybean Board to see where your beans will be next at nebraskasoybeans.org.
I just went to Tractor Tuesday. They take farmer to heart. I just went to Tractor Tuesday. Sign up online to start. You could be your own auctioneer. No commission when you sell it here. You should go to TractorTuesday.com.
Welcome back to the Rural Radio Network. Let's get our livestock comments this morning from Jerry Stoll with Country Futures based in Frankfort, Kansas. Good Monday morning, Jerry.
Hi, good morning, Bryce. Starting the week out with pressure in the outside equity markets. S&P futures currently 57 lower. Dollar index plummeting 97.93 down 120. Dow futures down 337. Crude oil plummeting as well, down 163 at 63.05. In general, that could have some just general negative effect on both cattle and hogs here on early opening prices. Going clear back to last Thursday's close. Now, some of these indexes are not updated from the Friday, but lean hog index, the last one we had last Thursday night was 85.21 up 12. Pork cutout value 97.22 up 4.22. We'll just call it mixed to easier on the opening. Feeder cattle index, and we'll get an update on that as well here soon, which should be the settlement price for that April feeder contract. We don't have that number yet. The last one we had was Thursday nights was up 554 at 293.57. Now Friday night we did get an update. The beef cutout value was 331.52 down 138. Quite a week last week with sharply higher cash fed prices, and we'll be looking, as many are, for fully steady to firmer again this week. We'll call cattle mixed, probably a little lower off the outside markets.
Yeah, let's recap also the cattle on feed report as we wrap up our time together here. Jerry, cattle on feed report on Thursday didn't really show anything significant out of expectations. Again, that report came out this past Thursday. Markets are closed on Friday. We'll get things open up here at 8:30. You're listening to the latest in the markets from the Tractor Tuesday Market Desk. I'm Bryce Tuskett on the Rural Radio Network.